So hey everyone, welcome to my channel V Star. Today I'm going to show you my school projects. Very attractive school projects. So first is this project of Punjabi folding card of poem on ozone Parat. Second is this English activity. This is a magic card and in it I had written some tenses. This is Hindi activity ticket album. मेरा ticket संग्रह है. This is ticket of Australia postage and some lines. This is ticket of Canada and some lines also. This is also English activity. It is on adverbs. ये देखिए, इससे एक रूम भी बन सकता है. सो मैं इसको क्लोज कर देती हूँ. उसके बाद ये भी एक इंग्लिश की एक्टिविटी है. It is on preposition. And it's my last activity. It is also on preposition. We had 2 activities. So how you like these activities? अगर आपको इन एक्टिविटीज़ का ट्यूटोरियल चाहिए तो आप इसे लाइक कर देना. और अगर आपको ऐसी और एक्टिविटीज़ चाहिए सो मुझे ये वीडियो आप शेयर कर देना. थैंक यू एवरीवन.